Ritu and I'm from 21K Bangalore, and it's my second visit to IIMUN Kanyakumari hosted by Excel Group of Schools. I personally love the building of Excel School, and my personal favorite part was the committee section debates and the cultures. Also, I would love to thank Excel School and IIMUN community to make me a part of it, and I genuinely love. My experience was good, it was worth and joyful. Thank you.
IIMUN, bring out the best, no time to rest. IIMUN, second to none, we are the nation's number one.
My name is Shringa Ramesh and I study in Comran International School. I really enjoyed my stay here at Excel Group of Schools as well, and the IIMUN experience was really great. I enjoyed the opening ceremony and it was really great to connect with the students from here. I really enjoyed the 2 days that I spent here and I don't regret it at all.
IIMUN.
Hi, I'm Anand. We are a group of 7 students traveled from Adarsh Vidya Kendra to Excel Group of School to attend this IIMUN conference. Hosted by Excel Group of School, Sirotar. And I really love the faculty advice of Excel Group of School.
We are India at heart.
Participating in IIMUN was an amazing experience. Thanks for Excel for organizing it so well. I learned about diplomacy, how to debate respectfully and to think like future leaders. It was truly inspiring and it really shaped us for our future.
IIMUN.
Thank you so much, Excel Group of Schools, for providing me with an opportunity to participate in IIMUN. Although I have come from Sacred Heart International School, I felt truly welcomed here and the experience has been inspiring.
IIMUN. IIMUN. IIMUN.
Hello, I'm Yognan Jas, representing Pandit Samna Higher Secondary School, Pondicherry. We came here as a group of 3 and I'm very grateful to be a delegate of IIMUN. The experience and knowledge we have gained from this program is invaluable.
We are the nation's number one.
Hi everyone, my name is Mayank Devakar and I serve as Assistant Director in IIMUN. It was seriously an amazing experience with the Excel Group of Schools. I just loved it. The hospitality was something which I will never ever forget.
Hi, my name is Khushi and I am from IIMUN team. It's the world's largest youth organization. So I am very grateful for my team that they sent me the most southern part of India. I experienced a lot. I came into Excel Central School, which is very great. The teachers are very helpful. I mean, I can never forget Sandhya ma'am and all the faculty who always give food to us, and the delegates. They are very energetic.
No